Hey, didn't see you guys there. This is Luke. Normally you guys see me on the Wreck Bike Rebuild episodes. I'm the guy that holds the camera and stuff like that. So I'm sitting here working on this edit, and the situation is myself, Patrick, and Brian are headed up there to Ohio to deliver this motorcycle to Riley. So the cool part about this is that we actually got to deliver the bike to the winner. So originally it's supposed to be myself and Patrick. Luckily Brian was able to make some free time in his schedule and tag along. We didn't tell Riley that Brian was going to be coming along. So that was like a big surprise that we had in store for him. So Brian had the idea that he would hop out and get onto the bobber in the back of the trailer, and then once we get to Riley's house and get all the cameras set up, then Patrick would go in through the side door and undo everything and then lower the ramp, and as soon as he lowers the ramp, then Brian is going to be sitting on the bobber. So he'll crank it up and start rolling it out, where Riley is perceiving it as it's Patrick doing all of this, and the big surprise is that it's actually Brian on the bike rolling it out and being able to present it in person and kind of go over all the specs and answer any questions that Riley had. So it was a really cool opportunity, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Anything different on it? I know you guys had to put new pipes on the one side.
We did. We replaced the one pipe, but we duplicated it.
Oh, so it's the exact same?
The exact same pipe. We did add a bracket to support the pipe so it doesn't crack again.
That makes sense.
And then underneath this section of pipe, the machinist that made our pipe for us the second time, because we weren't going to try it again and have it break again.
Yeah.
But the machinist that made it the second time put an extra wrap of steel around that area where it broke the first time, just to make it stronger.
Okay.
So no real additions. We just kind of made sure everything was correct.
So what are we looking at?
You're looking at all of our motorcycles. This is my brother's motorcycles, my motorcycles, and my dad's motorcycles. I have a Gixxer 600, which I hate it or love it. Some people hate Gixxers, but it was a good deal. What can you do? And then I have my Honda Grom back here. I ride this probably more often than not, especially through town. I mean, my brother rides a Vulcan. He loves that bike, and that's probably one of the most comfortable bikes I've ever ridden. So hopefully the Bobber kind of has that feel. My dad has a Bonneville, or a Triumph Bonneville, and a V-Strom, and there's a VTX back there, and a Honda CB750 that we have intentions on turning into a cafe racer style bike, but haven't got there yet. Now we have a 2012 Yamaha V-Star 1300.
You definitely feel pretty damn cool riding it. It makes all the right sounds.
Yeah.
You are going to learn to absolutely love deceleration.
I've seen that from the first ride.
The way this thing sounds on the decel is just incredible.
I won't be looking at it for like the next 6 hours probably.
So about to head out. Got Riley his bike.
Got the paperwork.
What do you think about it?
I'm stoked. I'm ready to ride it.
Yeah?
I'm going straight to the DMV. I'm gonna get a plate on it. And hopefully I get to ride it like tomorrow if the weather's nice.
That's what I'm talking about, my man.
Hey, I really appreciate it, guys.
Absolutely, buddy. Enjoy it.
I'm going to.